If you're struggling to start something new or stay consistent with something that you've just started, be it a side project or a hobby that you wanted to work for so long, or be it starting a new YouTube channel, then you have clicked on the right video, because in this video, I am going to tell you how trying to create systems as a beginner is leading to procrastination and how you are stuck in a perfection fantasy. Hi everyone, I'm Anushka Shukla and welcome back to my series on tips and tricks of starting a YouTube channel, coming from a complete beginner who might be just a couple of steps ahead of you. So let's get straight into it. When I started my YouTube channel back in December 2021, I was completely, I completely went deep dive into it. Like, I researched all the YouTube channels that were giving advice, like Think Media, Ali Abdal, and so on and so forth, the Thomas Franks, Matt Diavella. All these YouTube channels were trying to explain how should you start a YouTube channel, or how should you start something new. And the advice that floated around a lot was create systems for consistency, right? The only way to start something new and stay consistent with it is to create systems. And that's what I thought, okay, that is the key to start my YouTube channel and be successful at it. And like, I should have a schedule of when should I script, when should I write, when should I do this, when should I do that. And I was just starting out, and I had not even created one video at that time when I was trying to create systems first. And at that time, I was in my last year of college, and I did not have a job at that time. So, but when I got the internship, I had to drop that plan of creating YouTube videos. I did create around 8 videos, and after that I dropped it and I came to Bangalore and I started working. For 2.5 years, I put off the idea of creating videos or getting back to YouTube because I felt that I haven't yet figured out the right or exact system I need to get back to YouTube. Like, when will I shoot? When will I script? When will I edit? How will I do this? How will I do that? And I was just completely consumed by the idea of perfection, that I should have a system before starting something new, or I should be very clear and have a plan of the systems that the big YouTubers have, the shoot plan, the edit plan, the upload schedule, everything. I should have that ready before starting. I was completely sold by this idea that I should have it, because that is what we are being told at YouTube or on the internet, that create system. But that is the biggest mistake that we as beginners make, because trying to create systems before starting out is just plain procrastination. Yes, it's just one simple thing that we all are doing without starting out and trying to create systems first, is that we are procrastinating. And finally, after 2.5 years, when I thought, okay, systems later, I don't know when, how, what will I do, but right now let me just make one video and put it on YouTube, and let's just see how it goes. I published in the end of October last year, I published one video, and then November 2 videos, and I just had it in mind, 2 videos a month. So when the January came and I had published around 4-5 videos, again I started thinking about system, like, okay, what should be my upload schedule now, or should I start uploading once a week, or should I start scripting very regularly? Like, should I have Mondays, Tuesdays blocked for scripting, and then Wednesdays for shooting, and all of those things, all of those system questions started crawling back in my mind, and I started exploring more on editing and here and there, and that just overwhelmed me. It just made me feel like not enough, and that was just degrading and actually leading to more procrastination into creating videos, normally just plain videos. And when I spoke to my therapist about it, she told me, Anushka, wait, you have just gotten back to making videos again. So for the next 15 videos, like for total of 15 videos, first 15 videos, do the bare minimum. Because if you start learning something new without cementing the basic skill that you have of shooting the basic, scripting the basic in the basic way, where you have your pen and paper and you have your script ready in front of you, like just how you have been doing up till now, do it exactly that way, and do not try to add something new into it for the next 15 videos. Why? Because when your basic is not clear, like when you have not internalized the basics of what you have started new, and you try to add on more knowledge, you don't even learn the basic thing and you start to add new information, nothing goes into system well. And especially when we try to create systems at this point of time, we are just procrastinating. You're just setting yourself up for failure. Why? Because your body has not internalized it yet. Your body needs time to get conditioned with something new, and you cannot create systems on something that you're not familiarized with. So if you're trying to start something new, the basic advice is just start. Do not think a lot. Do not try to research a lot. Research on the basics part, like the few things. If you're starting a YouTube channel, then just get your iPhone or just get your camera and get your basic video editing app and try to create a video and upload it. And for the first 15-20 videos, do not think about improving it, because you and your body is trying to get into a new routine, new environment. After 15-20 videos, your body will learn it and it will become your muscle memory. Your brain will create new neural patterns and new connection that will allow you to get easily into the way, get into the rhythm of doing that task. And this applies for anything that we are starting new, be it a new hobby or be it trying to learn a new music instrument. The first few days, weeks are going to be very difficult, but at that time, don't expect a lot from yourself, and don't try to, again, create systems like, because at that time you don't have enough data, right? And once you have familiarized yourself with that activity enough, then you will have enough data to create a system that works well for you. Now, I have been doing this. I have restarted YouTube for past 5 months, and now I've gotten an idea how much time does it take me for doing a basic editing, how much time does it take me to shoot, and usually how many days does it take me to script. Now, and I am able to easily do it as well, and a lot faster, because now my body knows how to do it. Now my mind knows how to do it, how to get into the zone. And now I can think of creating systems like, the schedule and the systems that we all hear about. And what I have decided is that 1 week I will just script and 1 week I will just shoot and edit, because scripting takes a lot of time. So that is something that I have learned after doing the process, doing the thing, starting the activity without being stuck into trying to create systems. Because trying to create systems got me delayed for 2.5 years. And I don't want you to experience that. I don't want you to go through that. The most difficult part of starting something new is just starting. And even for this video, it took me 3 days. I procrastinated for 3 days to script this video. And today when I had to shoot, I was just finding reasons to not do it. But then I just, numbed my mind. I just stopped listening to it, stopped listening that I'm feeling awful, stopped listening that I have a pimple on my face, and just stopped thinking about all of those things. And I was just acted, okay, I've just got my lighting ready, I just got myself ready, I just put my tripod in front of me, and I just did the activity without thinking a lot. When we try to think, when we try to, like for example for this video, when we try to create systems in the beginning, we are just delaying the activity, the action. And we don't want to do that as a beginner, because our mind is so much capable of keeping ourselves in the comfort zone and keeping us safe, that it does not want to do that activity that is good for you, or the activity that you actually want to do, because it is something new. You do not know how it will go, how it could lead into failure. And your body and mind does not want to fail. So it will find reasons, like trying to create systems in the beginning to avoid that. But avoid systems and start now. I hope you got some value out of this video. And if you did, then please like the video, because it helped reach more people. And if you like the content that I create, then please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.